He is the substance, he the self of things. She has forced from him her words of skill and might. She wraps him in the magic of her moods and makes of his myriad truths her countless dreams. Makes of his myriad truths her countless dreams. He is the substance standing beneath things. He is not a shadow or an appearance, but the actual matter of things. He is the underlying reality. He is the real content, the stuff, the essential nature. He is the base. He is the foundation supporting the movement in time. He is the substance standing beneath things. What is your substance? Whereof you are made. That millions of shadows on you stand, millions of shadows stand on you. What is your substance? Whereof you are made. Everyone has a shade, and it is you who lend them all these shades. If there is a fake, if there is a counterfeit, it is also made after you. On the cheek of Helen, all art of beauty is set, and you were painted in a Grecian vase with new colors. You speak of the spring and the poison of the year, its abundance in every respect. If the spring is a shadow of your beauty, the other is its bounty. That is what we know you, that is what you are. You, all in every blessed shape, whatever grace is there in external form, it is your presence, but none is there like you constant in heart. Here is Shakespeare's Sonnet 53. What is your substance? Whereof are you made? That millions of strange shadows on you tend. Since everyone one shade, and you but one can every shadow lend. Describe Adonis, and the counterfeit is poorly imitated after you. On Helen's cheek, all art of beauty set, and you in Grecian times are painted new. Speak of the spring, and poison the year, the one that shadow of your beauty show, the other as your bounty doth appear. And you in every blessed shape we know. In all external grace you have some part, but you like none you a constant heart. Substance, essence, uncreated, indestructible, uncreated, indestructible. This is what Plato asserts. This is what Spinoza, Descartes, Leibniz assert. Substance, essence, uncreated, indestructible.